This is the most powerful patio heater I have ever installed. This mighty 4500 watt infrared exterior heater by ThermoMate is by far the largest and most powerful heater I've seen. The exact model is the EIH4500B, and as you can see, I'm pretty excited. The sizing and space requirements are listed on the package and the listing pages. For easy size reference, I'm 6 foot tall. You must mount this heater at least 7.88 feet above the floor minimum and have at least 19.7 inches of clear space above the heater. It is ready to use out of the box, however, this is not a standard plug. Due to the efficiencies of 240 volts, this is a wired connection. I have installed this model myself. However, you can use an electrician depending on your exact situation. This is the perfect heater for patios, restaurants, entertainment spaces, recreational spaces, and so much more. All the mounting hardware you need is included. They have provided 4 solid anchor bolts that will work perfectly for brick or masonry mounting applications. I'm installing mine at this outdoor covered patio area. The new heater will provide an extra boost of heat when we need it. This heater comes at a weight of 15 pounds and these brackets are more than enough to secure it. I simply installed the mounting brackets firmly, and I was happy to see that the attachments behind the heater slide back and forth on this rail system, so you don't have to be super precise on the placement of your brackets because you have a lot of adjustment here. I did use one individual to help me lift it into the final position. The swivel design, as you see here, helps you position and point the heater to the exact angle you want. You see, infrared heaters are more advanced than old-fashioned heaters. Infrared heats the items in front of it, so the benefit is even on windy days, they will still work perfectly. Yes, the ThermoMate infrared outdoor patio heater is rated at IP54. This safety rating means it's protected against dust and water splashing from any direction. This makes it suitable for outdoor use on patios, decks, and porches. However, the IP54 splash resistant is not full waterproof, so while it handles normal rain and moisture, it's not designed to be fully submerged or left exposed in heavy downpours without additional protection like a cover. You can turn this heater on manually anytime you want. It's easy to use, this push button operation, and then you have the 3 different heating levels, a low, a medium, and a high. So you don't need the remote, but it does come with remote control. Powerful 4,500 watts of output, producing heat covering up to 200 square feet, recommended at least mounting of 7.88 feet, so you want it up. Must be hardwired dedicated circuit breaker of 25 amps. It does include 6.3 feet cable that will go to your wired box connection. The ThermoMate infrared outdoor patio heater includes overheating protection for safety. It also has a 24-hour timer with the remote control, so you can set it to turn on automatically at a specific time. The safety ratings make it dust and water resistant. This cool remote control is included, and as you can see, I enjoyed using it with the remote and it was so easy to operate. Please check my pinned comment below or video description for current pricing and if there are any current promotions or sales. Let me know if you have any questions at all. This is a powerful exterior infrared electric heater and this would be a good addition to our outdoor patio area.